Hello. Today we are going to squeeze Play-Doh. Squeeze means press tight with your hand. Watch me. Squeeze and open. Now let's try together. Hold the Play-Doh. Close your hand. Squeeze. Open. Good squeezing. Good squeezing. Clap once. You are working so hard. Let's do it again. Close hand. Squeeze. Open. Nice job. Nice job. Thumbs up. You are doing great. Ready? Close. Squeeze. 1, 2, 3. Open. Great work. Strong hand. Close. Squeeze tight. Open. Super squeeze. Super squeeze. Clap twice. Your hands are very strong. Less squeeze. Close. Squeeze. 1, 2, 3. Open. Amazing. You squeezed 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have strong hands. High five. See you next time. Wave goodbye.